Yes, sir. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hey, it's sunrise. Sit down. And we on the inside. And the rhythm you're hearing in the background is all about Carnival 2025. The music hot, the vibes is right. And we here with our guest this morning. Gotta say good morning. You know, you hear me say good morning to the men and women in blue every day. You know, so we got Super Soldier, we got Rummer, this morning we have a Super Soldier called Rummer HD in the building. Rummer, what you saying this morning?
Okay, now Shadow Man, Uncle Shad.
Just about to tell you,
Uncle
this
Shad.
Shadow Man. Shadow Man used to have a black beard with a little thing, everything white.
Now you got light on you. You got a lot of light on you.
So you say, my brother?
Boy, see me here, boy. We chilling, we taking it easy.
Mm-hmm. So what's going on with you for the season? I know besides the regular work, I know it's always been music with you, so
let me start by saying again, like I'm telling everybody, you know, sorry for being tardy to the party with these late entries for Carnival 2025, but like I always say, better late than never.
True.
And also, like I say, when a vibe hits you, you never know when a vibe could hit you. And for me, with these two projects, one was done a lot earlier before the next one, but the first one, which is the one you're playing in the background, it wasn't quite ready to release just yet.
Right.
You know, we had it set and ready since last year, but you know, things happen. Universal, like, you know, hold on to this. So now this year come around, maybe about 4 weeks ago, I get a concept, I get the inspiration for the second song, and I was like, nah, we gotta put this thing together quick, Carnival coming up, you know, and then boom, 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 hit up who I need to hit up, producer, engineer, all these different things, and then we made it happen. So now we got these two tunes dropping for the Carnival season, and of course, if you know me, I always like to try to drop music before Carnival around my birthday, because my birthday is either the beginning of, in the middle of, or before Carnival.
How much body you got, bro?
It's one body.
You just say your body either in the beginning, the middle, or the end, and I come, wow!
So my birthday is Friday. My birthday is on Good Friday.
Oh, yeah, Aries born?
Yes, Aries born.
Right.
April 18th. So that's why I love Carnival. April 18th.
Yeah, Carnival, baby.
That day is either the starting of Carnival, Carnival done start, or it teen start yet.
So this time it ain't start yet. It's just about to start.
It's about to start. You know, so I always try to drop
so
one.
Is it Friday, your birthday?
Yes, sir.
A Good Friday?
Yes, sir.
Man, make him born on a Good Friday, dog.
Saltfish
No
and
chicken,
Johnny
no meat, it's just saltfish alone. Fish alone we eating. So you doing any camping or anything for
camping? Camping in the station.
All right, look. I know, like I say, we just do sunrise sit down is at 9 o'clock, but you reach what time? 9:15?
Yeah, the sun's still going up, man. Don't worry. Right? The sun's still going up.
But check this vibe here. It's your tune. Before we talk about it, I need you to loose it to the people.
No problem.
So, talk to them, Rummer HD.
Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is your boy Rummer, and here is my first edition for the Carnival 2025 season. It is called NWA. Nah, it's we alone who got a vibes, who got a party started. The shadows drop it.
We alone. It's we and we alone. Nah, it's we alone.
It's we and we alone.
It's we alone.
It's we and we alone.
It's we.
Who does mash up party?
Who does get some nasty? It's we.
It's only we, it's only we.
It's we.
Who does mash up road? Who want overload? Who does do what we want? Oh gosh.
Mash up every road now. Yeah, I say it's we. Who they always down.
We alone.
It's we and we alone. Nah, it's we alone. It's we and we alone. It's we alone. It's we and we alone. Who does mash up party? It's we. Who does get some nasty?
Who does turn up the bar?
It's we.
Who does mash up road?
Who want overload?
Who does do what we want?
I say it's we and we alone. Mash up every fence, we mash up every road now. Yeah, I say it's we, who they always down. But tell them hush them out if they don't know what it's like. Tell me why. It's we run the jam, we run the land. Oh God. It's we alone. up every fete, mash up every road. Now, yeah, I say it's we who they always doubt. But tell them hush them out if they don't know what they're talking about. Now, we run the jam, we run the land, who to pin we hand. See for wine and a bam bam. Cock juice, got the gal let loose. You claim that you run this thing. Nah, we alone. It's we and we alone. We alone. It's we and we alone. It's we alone. It's we and we alone. It's we alone. It's we and we alone. It's we.
Right, man, say cock juice got them on the road. I like that.
Aye.
Who make that drink anyways?
Cock juice, if I'm not mistaken, that is Mr. Stapleton and them Wayne and them and
Wayne
Stretch
and them.
and if I'm not mistaken.
Them fellas.
I know who to get a credit to, but I know it's them.
Yeah. Well, Rummer, this one here is fire.
Thank you.
But there's no road march competition this year, is there?
No.
So, yeah. Now I gonna talk
Yeah, talk the
artists
thing,
what we
talk the
talking
thing.
shop now.
Okay,
I know you said it took you some time,
Mm-hmm.
you understand, to actually get the music out. But why did it take so late? Because my thing is, our carnival is in April. You understand?
Mm-hmm. And you know every year it coming around at the same time. I know.
Carnival alone changes every year at the same time.
Every year the same,
You
just
understand?
like your body.
Right. So why is it that an artist like yourself, a seasoned, let me rephrase that, a seasoned artist like yourself, you understand, took so long?
For
You
me,
understand? Because
personally, when it comes to the music in my current stage in life, the current chapter I am in life, is more about the vibe I get from it. You know, I ain't want to just make a song just to make it. You know, just to stay trending or to stay relevant. I want to make sure that if I make something, it makes sense and it lasts. It makes sense. Make money too, but make more sense.
Right.
You know, and I don't want it to just be something that you just put out and then it don't have no kind of value or no kind of no meaning behind it. You know, because the is we could be for anybody. Any country
Right.
could pick that up because when you
right,
go to
right.
an international concert, is we. My country could be St.Maarten.
Of course,
Sabre
you're
Station.
representing home wherever you go.
Exactly.
But my question is, you understand? For it to now, we are forced. But me being Uncle Shads and doing the mood in the morning, I am forced now to put it. You as the artist,
put you in a difficult position.
yeah, you put the on-air personalities, you put the DJs, you put everybody that's playing your music in a position now because we might like it,
But it's too late to catch on.
but it's late. It's for the listeners. It would be kind of late because Carnival is Monday.
I understand.
You understand?
Trust me,
We
and
ain't got
that's why-
nothing. We ain't got nothing on the road, which is very very disappointing to me. You understand? We have so many great bands, but we don't have these. Carnival is about the music.
Of course.
We are forced to pick up everybody else's music because their carnival are before ours.
Yeah.
So you're gonna get Trinidad, you're gonna get Dominica, you're gonna get Aruba, you're gonna get all these
Different
other islands have their music out prior to their season. But we always, me when I used to be an artist, you understand?
Once an artist, always an artist.
No, well, I mean, when I used to record more, let me put that.
Okay,
you
there you
understand?
go.
I recorded all year round. I know you're busy, you understand? And I know a lot of us, we are starving artists until we become international money-making artists. We
Yeah.
just are starving artists trying to make it. So we got family to take care of, we got a job to deal with, you know. So studio and some of those stuff that's going on the back burner. But we have been known in St.Maarten to release our music so late. So how are Aruba going to know it when they come here? How is Curacao going to know it when they come here?
How is anybody going to know it
How
when
is
they come
anybody
here?
going to know it if you release it today?
Trust me, I fully get it, and that's why I say it. I will start by saying sorry for being late.
Really late too, man.
Sorry for being late.
I
And for me, like I say, music is a vibe.
Right.
Is
Correct.
Is the vibe that you get. If I can't help it that for 11 months I ain't get no
vibes.
inspiration, and then this month.
But how you not get how you could not get no inspiration
I
when
just give an example.
you're
like.
listening to me every morning? I putting you on the mood. So you're supposed to be in the mood and saying, "Boy, Uncle got me here." I supposed to start to write. You understand?
Trust me, I do have my concepts recorded, the home, the body put on. and it's just to pull it out of the woodwork and do something with it. But
pull it
again, you
pull it out after my birthday, not January.
You gotta feel it. It's like, okay, am I ready for this? Is St. Maarten ready for this project now? Is it the right time or whatever? Should I hold on for it for this year, bring it out next year? Should I give it some time? Maybe I could do something else with it. You know, it's all those different things that in my mind then, all those different things that is play on, because like, you never know when the right time might be the right time. So it's up to you, the feeling that you get. If you feel, okay, now I can drop it, go ahead, you do what you got to do with it.
Okay, well, this is song 1. Because the conversation still continue. That's what it is on the song.
If you feel this way about song 1, all your ladies, I just big up every morning, because I don't know how you just remember all of their names, but all the ladies, you just big up in the morning.
All of them
I needed to give them a special big up when this tune play, because this next tune is specifically and especially for them.
And all of them listening,
This next song is for them. This is their anthem. This is the official parade day anthem.
All right, so let me say this. Miss Monegro, Miss Anatal, Miss James, Miss Pantaflet, Miss Peterson Garden Princess, Miss Arundel, Miss Simmons, Miss Monegro, Miss Anatal.
You said those already again. Special big up twice. So nice you gotta say it twice.
Get it twice, you know?
So big up your harbor crew, big up your hospital crew, big up your Nagico crew, big up everybody.
Ladies, Mr. Rummer HD is here in the building, and he said this song is for you. So set your dial, lock it in, keep it locked. It's Rummer HD song 2. You gotta release your tune, you know what I mean? You're supposed to tell them what it is.
All right, so nice. We gotta do it twice. Boom, what is going on, everybody? It is your boy Rummer, and ladies, this one is for you. I needed to turn it not up, but all the way up, because this is the official parade day anthem for you. It don't matter. This is for those ladies in particular that get the BBL accusations. Those that say, yes, sir. This is for all those ladies that when you pass and people stop and stare, they just wonder where you get it from. It don't matter if you went for it, if you spend for it, if you bend for it, if you're born with it, you're farming it. It don't matter. Show it off because it's yours. Shadow Man, Uncle Shaz, run the tune because they want it.
Round and a good way. Round and a good way.
Ladies, we know your body right, your body tight. You ain't pay for it, you're good.
If you went for it, I spend for it. Went to bed and bend for it. Show it off is yours, mama. Either way, it's yours. Went to gym and spot for it.
Had to sweat a lot for it. Show it off is yours, mama. Either way, it's yours. They say you have it natural. Others say contractual. Either way, it's yours, mama. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. What do you tell them? It don't matter if you went to bed and had to sweat a lot for it. Show it off is yours, mama. Either way, it's yours.
You have it natural. Others say contractual. Either way, it's yours, mama. Show it off is yours. They say you spend that paper for your money maker. Either way, it's yours, mama. Show it off is yours. Some people will have round and a good again.
Boy, this one here has problems.
Sorry for being late.
Bend for it, send for it, went for it. Yow!
Spend for it, went to bed and bend for it. Show it off is yours, mama. Either way, it's yours. If you went to gym and squat for it, had to sweat a lot for it. Show it off is yours, mama. Either way, it's yours.
Miss Monegro, Miss Anatole, Miss Simmons, Garden Princess, Miss Houston, yo, Miss Canagita, Lord.
If you went for it, I spend for it. Went to bed and bend for it. Show it off is yours, mama. Either way, it's yours. If you went to gym and squat for it, had to sweat a lot for it. Show it off is yours, mama. Either way, it's yours. They say you have it natural. Others say contractual. Either way, it's yours, mama. Show it off is yours. They say you spend that paper for your money maker. Either way, it's yours, mama. Show it off is yours. Some people will have the most to say. Talk about you anyway, so it don't really matter. They say I stay, but talking you anyway. Don't Don't have nothing but to say so. It don't really matter. Take all the accusations and
It's only admiration, whether you went some toe or you bend down low, the world will never know so. It don't matter if you went up. We can finish 10:30 today. Finish at 10:30 today.
Boy, ladies, the man telling all you. If you went for it, bend for it, send for it, whatever you do for it, keep it looking good.
for it and spend for it. Once I bed and bend for it. Show it off is yours, mama. Either way it's yours. If you went to gym and squat for it, had to sweat a lot for it. Show it off is yours, mama. Either way it's yours. They say you have it natural. I say contractual. Either way it's yours, mama. Show it off is yours. They say you spend a paper for your money maker. Either way it's yours, mama. Show it off is yours. Some people will have the most I say. Talk about you anyway, so it don't really matter. They say I stay, I'm talking you anyway. Don't have nothing but to say, so it don't really matter. Take all the accusations and all the allegations. Whenever they stop and say, it's only admiration. Whether you win some toe or you bend down low, the world will never know so. It don't matter if you win for it and spend for it. Went to bed and bend for it. Show it off is yours, mama. Either way it's yours. If you went to gym and squat for it, had to sweat a lot for it. Show it off is yours, mama. Either way it's yours. Say you have it. Honestly, contractual. Either way it's yours, mama. Show it off is yours.
Drop it down to the ground, hey, 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 hey. Down to the ground, down to the ground. Drop it, drop it. Oh, we done left. Take all the accusations and all the allegations. Whenever they, it's only admiration. Whether you went some toe or you been down low, the world will never know so. It don't matter if you. Never let the song down. The song ain't finished.
Let's get crazy! Let's get crazy!
For it and spend for it. Went to bed and bend for it. Show it off is yours, mama. Either way it's yours. If you went to gym and squat for it, had to sweat a lot for it. Show it off is yours, mama. Either way it's yours. They say you have it natural. Others say contractual. Either way it's yours, mama. Show it off is yours. They say you spend a paper for your money maker. Either way it's yours, mama. Show it off is yours. Some people will have the most I say. Talk about you anyway, so it don't really matter. They say I stay, but talking you anyway. Don't have nothing but to say, so it don't really matter. Take all the accusations and all the allegations. Whenever they stop and say, it's only admiration. Whether you win some toe or you bend down low, the world will never know so. It don't matter if you win for it and spend for it. Went to bed and bend for it.
Yeah.
They got more to the song now. You ain't even reached to the sweetest part of the song yet.
The DJs them does mixed up. It's fuss, it's verse, it's bridge, chorus, outside. Next to. Now, but we gotta stay in here and talk to you still, man.
Listen.
Yo, listen, now you know, I'm gonna tell you straight up. I'm pissed. Now I'm pissed.
Because I really said so late. I know. I know. And that's why I say I have me apologiated. I'm apologize. I apologize.
You know we here, you know Uncle Shaz just keep it 100. Says, I don't care.
I understand.
Me don't care. The people that don't care.
I'll take it. I'll take it. Send the vex.
Because how you could have a hot tune like this sitting down?
No, that ain't sitting down. That one, that's...
Oh, you just do this one yesterday?
No, that's like...
You just do that one?
That concept come 4 weeks ago. That concept come 4 weeks ago.
And 4 weeks ago, if you bend for it, if you send for it, if you lend for it, if you borrow it, if you get it. That's the kind of thing
you're born with it.
You're born with it. I have a few of them out there that born with it and the skin thick like shark meat. Yeah. And someone want to send me a message, say, boy, we outside like wet clothes on this one.
Outside, or in things like G-string.
Yeah, man, they're doing this thing. Rummer.
This
This one here is fire. Both of the tracks are fire, but this one here,
thank you.
This one here, blazing.
This one, like I say, I haven't been this excited for a new release in a long time.
Goosebumps, brother. Goosebumps when
I haven't been this excited.
Well, now I know. You see, now I could tell you for the rest of Carnival, because you know the shenanigans just go on Saturday mornings. We call it Tabanca Saturday. So after Good Friday, I ain't here still.
Of course,
it's Tabanca Saturday, and we loosen it. Well, now I have three favorite. You know me. I am very. I mean, every artist know me. I mean, they know. once I'm working in radio, once I'm on the air,
Your
it's
sound
all
will-
about the productivity of the track.
Yeah.
So if you bring garbage to me, I can tell you, yeah, I mean, I disrespect you, but I'm sorry.
You say
If it
thank
ain't-
you, but-
thank you, but if it
yeah.
ain't good enough to play on my program, yeah, this one here is fire.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, this one here is fire.
Humbly appreciate it.
Yeah,
Thank you
yeah,
very much.
yeah. I love we alone, but you see, this one is yours. It's for the ladies.
Exactly. I was just going to tell you it's for the ladies, so we
It's
love
for the
everything for the ladies.
Yeah.
We love
That's-
everything for the
everybody
ladies.
Else, but how you ask the question, how you just remember all these ladies? Besides the kids, you understand? Besides these, because all these females have kids, you understand? And they just get up in the morning, and the children, them just be open enough to say, good morning, uncle, I love you. And with that being said, it's a joy for the kids.
Of course.
You know, hearing the name on the radio.
Of course.
Princess Renee, all of them. All of them. You know, Adesha, Kalia.
I know.
All of them have mothers.
Yeah.
It's only the twins, the Wonder Twins have a father that does be there with them every morning. But all these kids go to school with their moms in the morning.
Yeah.
So remember the lady's name, but they really enjoy the show. And the listeners really enjoy the show. So I'm getting messages like, yo, this track here is fire. Yeah, this track here is fire.
Thank you.
But like we say again, well, now you know.
I
You
know.
understand? You have to start, because with me, I mean, I can put the blueprint out there and let y'all know when y'all should release music.
I know when the sweet spot
And
is.
you know where the sweet spot is.
But it's just
I know the time.
The
Listen,
concept, the
look,
feeling
y'all
wasn't
know
there.
Rummer used to be an artist and a radio personality. Now he's a police. You understand? And when you're a police, it's 24 hours a day work. You understand? They're on the road. They got to protect and serve. And now they have bring in your guns. What do they call that?
Stop, drop, and go. Stop, drop,
Stop,
and
drop,
go.
and go. You know, for some strange reason, I keep saying it's stop, drop, and roll. Yeah. Which is a good thing too. But nah, anybody you got to thank? I mean, who did your production? I need to ask you
Okay,
that.
so for the second one, the one that you're going crazy for, that you still ain't let finish, because they still have more to that track that you still gotta hear.
When mean you don't talk, you don't play?
Okay, so in this one, and for this second project, I went to the newer generation. So I went to a producer called Mushroom.
Oh, cool.
Mush Too Hard is his production name.
All right.
And he's like you just call him, he's a young cat up and coming, but he's a veteran in the game. He's if you see him, he gigs with all of these different bands with KRG and all of them ones. He with C5, he plays. He's well known in the music world.
And
up
he did the
coming.
full production, the musical rendition and everything?
Musical rendition, engineering, mixing and mastering. Mushroom did everything.
Because this here, it's
Well
it
put
is properly
together.
put together. I mean,
well
I can hear.
put together.
I mean, with me, musically, it is on a level.
Yes.
I'm definitely take it and I'm gonna get my memory stick and I'm gonna put it in my car so I can
Listen,
hear it good too.
there aren't
But
many people that would have been able to pull up that production, and I'm happy that I approached him and asked him if he's able to do it for me, because I don't know if I would have
because
been able to get the same
I've
level.
I've been doing music for so many years, and it took me a while. I mean, y'all know I will explain to you why I don't do it anymore.
Of course,
because
yeah.
you know my boys them not here, so we're not doing it.
Yeah,
but
yeah.
I was
But
trying
at
to
least
find.
I know.
Yeah,
You told me the
I've been trying to
backstory.
find and this. You gotta give me mushroom number.
problem. I can-
Shrooms.
Mushroom.
That sound good. But nah, I mean it is amazing. I mean the
Yes.
keys,
Yes.
the bass line.
And the thing is, he listens and he's willing to work and learn.
Right,
You know,
right.
because he just like a sponge, a mushroom. He takes in everything, he absorbs everything, you know,
Right.
and he makes sure gives you what you want.
correct.
If he
correct
sends
is
you
right.
something, be like, hey, take this out, adjust this, tweak this, do that, he gonna give you what you want and
Correct.
still make it sound on a level that his name is up
here, right,
You
right,
know,
right,
so
right.
big, super huge shout out going out to Mushroom.
And the first tune was done
And
by.
the first tune that was produced by Avalanche, by Avi.
uh-huh.
And that one was engineered, mixed, and mastered by Don Rich, by
Okay,
Dr.
Don Rich,
Rum.
by Dr. Rum.
So that was the older generation. So two different generations. So for the first one is the older generation. Shout out to my
But-
boy, Dr. Rum.
But this young man, Shrooms sound like he's been listening to soca for a long time because when
Not
I-
soca, music.
Music.
He can do
Well-
all genres.
Well, that's great because what it is what it is for me. I listen to the production. The production for the song is amazing.
Thank you.
The song is amazing. I mean,
Yeah.
it would have been so much sweeter like my partner to say, boy, you got to put some horns in that. But-
Ask him. I tell him, ask him.
I
tell
hear
him,
it. I'm
say,
hearing the
Mushroom,
horns, you know what I'm saying?
I need some horns in this. But,
Mhm.
you know, because of course on stage performance is going to be different. So I would like to leave that for the on stage
Right,
performances,
right.
you know. But again, there's a build up in the song. You might hear a few of them. So again, we gotta leave the song finished. When you leave, you hear some of them coming in.
Well, we reached that time. Yeah, I gotta say thank you so much for coming through. You
It's
understand?
my pleasure. It's my pleasure.
This was a special sunrise sit down.
And I'm happy
Drop
that I
two
was
tracks.
able to have the tea with you in the morning.
Yes,
sunrise,
man.
and
Yes,
now we
man.
hot.
Yes, man. Now we hot. Yeah. So anything else you got to say before you go? Because, you know, it's 10 to the hour. Now I got to sign off. So you see,
Yeah.
they're going to get to hear the song before I go. The whole thing.
I just want to send a special shout out going out to the ladies. Ladies, make this your parade day anthem. Tell any DJ wherever you go, when you go out, tell them you want to hear your parade day tune. Make sure you put it in your car. Make sure you tag me on all social media platforms when you're playing it. You're going to release later today. So make sure you follow me. Make sure you stay
Well,
up to
it's
date.
going to be on my TikTok for sure. I'm going to get my TikTok segment. So it's going to be there. Yeah,
And
but
also,
nah,
it's coming out. It's going to be out, and this is the official parade day anthem. Ladies, make it your own. Own this song, especially if you know that is yours. If it's yours, regardless of how you get it, tell them mind their business.
Girl, if you lend it, bend it, rent it,
is yours.
It's yours.
Is yours. All right. So I just want to send a huge shout out because everybody been asking, you know, when the music coming out, when the music coming out, even though it's a general question and they don't necessarily really care. But for this one, for me, this one is very special. And like I said, I haven't been this excited for new release, new music from myself in a long time. So you're laughing at me. What going on?
No, I laughing at you. I'm laughing at. Listen, look, my listeners, you wonder about the ladies. Nikki said is fire. She love it. Mariella said her knees bad, but she could walk up to it. Monegro said she ready for carnival and all is hers. Well, we Miss Aaron there. I can't go through the rest of the list.
Yeah.
I can't go through some of the things it's saying. But anyways, listen, Rummer, thank you so much for coming through.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you so much for dropping these two tracks.
Thank you for having
me. For the rest of Carnival, you understand? Enjoy it.
Of course.
You understand? Be safe.
Of course.
You understand? Of
you
course.
be safe as well.
You know, of course, you being in the patrol, you are part of my rock. You know, we just do this thing. We just vibes every day. So definitely to the men and women in blue. Big up all your boy Rummer. He come out, he do something. You understand? The Super Soldier, Danny and the rest of the crew and you guys. Thank you so much for doing the work. I'm going to tell you, thank you so much for doing the work that you guys are doing on the force as well.
Thank you.
You know, great job. You know, keep it going, keep us safe. And thank you so much for this here for Carnival.
I try to please everybody in multiple worlds.
Well, you can please some of them some of the time, but you can't please all of them all the time.
Of course not.
So, Mr. Rummer, once again, thank you, my brother, for coming through. This is a hot track. You know, definitely the mood in the morning. Appreciate you. This was a sunrise sit down. And
play the tune for the woman, them man. They got hear the song ain't done. Trust me, they got more to the song. They got more to the tune that you gotta hear.
Well, you hear it here. Man said play the tune. So I gonna play the tune. And in the meantime, in between, I'm gonna say love, peace, and hair grease to one and all. And if you got nobody loving you, you keep on loving yourself unconditionally. This is Rummer. If you went for it, you sent for it, you bent for it, it's yours. Have yourself a wonderful Wednesday. Your favorite uncle checking out.